How to save Twitch streams. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can save Twitch streams. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is head over to twitch.com. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after you've done that, tap on your profile icon on the top right. After you tap on that, head over to the settings button right here. And after you're on settings, you should see an option called channel and videos. Tap on it and you'll get redirected to another website. After you're here, you will see different options. So head over to stream, that is on the left hand side right above channel. Tap on stream and then scroll down. Right here under VOD settings, you will see store past broadcasts. If this is turned off, make sure that this is turned on, and this will save your streams for up to 7 days. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.